I am Brindani from CSC second year. I am here to interview my sister Parvati, who is inspiring for getting a job. Let's introduce yourself.
My name is Parvati Porupreddy. I am studying in Aditya Degree College in the stream of Computer Science.
Where do you from?
I am from Mentada, Vijayanam district. My village is very nice, and in my village festivals are different is there. Most of the people came to my village. I enjoy lot of them.
Let's talk about your schooling.
During my childhood, you and my friends went to Puttupatti and lot of enjoy them and visited many places. So I like so much. During these days is very I enjoy a lot. So I like so much because of my friends and my family members.
Who is the best friend in your college days?
During my college days, Anusha is my best friend because always supporting me and help me. Both are be like her sisters. I miss you so much because that girl went to Hyderabad, so I miss you a lot of them.
Okay, let's talk about your memorable events in your college.
In my college, NSS camp and chemistry event is there. NSS camp, me and my friends enjoy a lot of them during games and eating dinner, etc. So I like so much. Yes.
Do you like to read novels?
Yes. I like novels. Indigo novels I like so much. Vanilla Adipilla and Rudranatra books is very nice. During my college days, I like so much that novels.
Who is your motivation or inspiration?
My inspiration is APJ Abdul Kalam because he lead a simple life. And during my college days, I saw the book in Wings of Fire. This book is inspired a lot of them. So I like so much.
What are the major challenges do you face in your campus interviews, like getting a job?
Technical issues is faced during the interview. I face more tier round is more difficult. I fail so much. Many interview is there. I failed them. When my brother is supported to them, again try. So I will get a job.
How many interviews are you presenting?
5, almost 5.
Almost 5. Finally, in which company do you get a job?
I got DXC Technology. This is best company. I get.
Do you feel comfortable with your company?
Yes, I feel comfortable because this company is best company in the world and very much. So,
give us some suggestions about to complete our college days efficiently.
Nothing but tell me one thing. What you do like it, you can do anything. That's
When did you start your professional career?
recently 2 months.
2 months back.
Yes.
Fresher.
Yes, I am a fresher.
How is your work?
My work is very better and very well. I like so much and I enjoy a lot of them.
How is the nature of our company?
This company is very good and friendly, move to colleagues, and this environment is very nice. But during my college days, I miss you so much, my friends and my teachers and etc.
Well, working in the company, you are thinking of going to further studies?
Yes. During do the software, I achieve my higher studies also.
For what purpose are you
Because,
studying higher studies?
I achieve my big dream. I want to good position in software company, so I can choose the higher studies.
What is the package?
2,80,000. My package is DXC Technology.
Is that sufficient to you?
Yes.
Before coming to degree, that means after completing your enter, what is your goal?
My goal is police, but unexpectedly I chose this software sector.
Give some suggestions or tips to become a successful software engineer.
You can learn languages like C, Java, and coding, etc. During this language, you can help in software company. You can learn it. You can help in during interviews.
Any projects out there in your resume?
No, I can choose the chemistry cluster. Only sixth sem. I do not do project.
Present, what can you do?
Nothing, but I can do I can prepare PG set.
Coaching you mean? Coaching will help to your further studies.
This is help to higher studies.
Okay. Describe yourself in 3 words.
I am a beautiful. I am a hardwork person. I can do dancing and playing, listening music. I am a confident person. I can do anything.
Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you.